Inside your teeth, there's more than nerves and blood vessels. There are special cells called dental pulp stem cells. These cells come from a part called the neural crest, which also helps form your nervous system. In baby teeth, similar stem cells called shed also support nerve repair. These cells make proteins like NGF and BDNF that help damaged nerves survive and grow. Animal studies show DPSCs can improve the growth of nerve fibers, called axons, after injury. They also help Schwann cells, which wrap around nerves and guide them during repair. DPSCs release tiny packages called exosomes that carry healing signals to injured nerves. Exosomes can help without transplanting the entire stem cell, making therapy safer. They can reduce inflammation and help new blood vessels grow in injured nerves. Scientists are studying how stem cell age and growth conditions affect their healing power. DPSCs are being tested for repairing sciatic, facial, and spinal nerves. Exosomes from DPSCs can help spinal nerves heal by reducing inflammation. Hospitals worldwide are working on turning this research into real treatments. Scientists are also combining stem cells with tiny scaffolds to guide nerves across bigger gaps. Simply put, dental stem cells don't make new nerves directly, but they help your body heal damaged nerves better. ADA Forsyth Institute in the USA recently identified apical DPSCs at the tooth tip, showing strong potential for pulp and nerve regeneration. University of Pittsburgh Dental Medicine is pioneering self-assembling DPSC conduits for facial nerve repair, matching traditional grafts and results. In China, researchers at institutions like China Medical University are advancing DPE exosomes for sciatic and spinal nerve healing. Global teams, including systematic reviews from Portugal and others, confirm exosomes from DPSC shed outperform in safety and efficacy for nerve repair. From labs worldwide, dental stem cells are moving toward real treatments. The future of nerve healing starts in your teeth.